we know that all the different types of materials around us, they exist in three different forms, isn't it? Either you will see a solid form, or a gaseous form, or liquid form. So you see, all the materials around us will show any one of these three forms. Now, while all the materials can exist in all these three forms, water is the only material whose all the three forms are readily available. So you will see ice, normal water, and steam, all of them very easily all around you. So all the three forms of water are readily available. Now, what are these three forms? First is ice, which is the solid form of water. What about the normal water which we drink? Well, it is the liquid form of water. And what about steam? Well, steam is the gaseous form of water. So you see, water is available in three different forms. So if you take liquid form of water, that is the normal water which you have, and pour it in a tray and place it in the refrigerator, what will happen? Well, after few hours, if you take it out and try to pour that water, well, there will be no water because it has converted into its solid form, that is ice. So you see, liquid form kept in refrigerator or freezer, converted into solid form of water, that is ice. Now, if you take out this ice and keep it outside for some time, it will again convert into its liquid form, that is normal water. And this liquid form can be easily poured into a glass. So you see, water has its solid form, that is ice, and then liquid form, which is normal water. So when you bring it in room temperature, then ice converts into water, that is its liquid form. So inside the freezer, water is in its solid form, that is ice. And when it comes out of the freezer, that is when temperature increases, then it converts into its liquid form, that is normal water which we drink. So when we talk about water, water has three different forms and it is readily available in all the three forms. So you have liquid form of water, then solid form of water which is ice, and gaseous form of water which is steam. So according to the temperature, water has three different forms, or water exhibits three different forms, or water exists in three different forms. So at room temperature you have the normal water in the liquid form, and in the freezer, that is very cold temperature, well, at that time you have water in the solid form, that is ice. And when you heat it, then water converts into its gaseous form, that is steam. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.